this is a different one. Okay, because the other one had a white belly. It must be the kittens. Here you go, Biscuit. Yes, sweetie.
It's all you, buddy.
We're here with Biscuit.
He's shy.
It's gonna start tomorrow morning. Oh, she wants to play. She's playing with the handle.
It's really cautious.
It's day 2, and we're off to a start. Yes. We just fed Biscuit. He's our little kitty now. We've got a couple little cats that hang out around our area. We love them. We've been bringing them food, and they're just chilling around our house. I'm just waiting on Kenny to get back. I've got some papaya juice, an assortment of fruit, and all sorts of new things to try. And we're right on the beach. Kenny's finally here to join me with his breakfast.
Awesome.
Much smaller than mine. I'm more adventurous trying out all the foods.
Well, I was waiting for this probably soon to be glorious, epic omelet.
What's in it?
It's just it's got cheese, mushrooms, some tomatoes, and pickles.
Okay.
Oh, and ham. Got the head.
Right now we're waiting to go on our dolphin excursion. We're gonna go play with some dolphins and see some sharks and stuff. We were gonna go diving with scuba gear and everything, but we found that this was here, so we're gonna do it. We're at Dolphin Cove here, so we're gonna swim in the real water with them. There he is. One's coming right up. Hey. Kenny and I just got done with Dolphin Cove and we did the ultimate package. It was amazing.
Swam with Tatiana and Miguel.
Yeah, they're
She
the
went
best.
so high up.
Yeah, I got like right above, like down here all the way. It was the best.
Really cool.
Because I'm light, so it worked out really well.
Got some pictures for memories.
Yeah, they tried to do some couple ones, but they're not allowed to do couple photos, so we couldn't have any together, except for like 1 or 2. But we had them kisses on the cheek, so we did all the poses. We didn't get to keep the pictures. This is the Dolphin Cove side. It's all straight into the ocean, and they say other dolphins come up here sometimes, like wild ones to come say hey, but they mostly don't because they're in their own pod. Yeah, that's Miguel and Tatiana. They're the alpha male and alpha female. We got to swim with them. Right now we're going to go head over to the sharks and we're going to get to play with some sharks and some stingrays. We're going to swim with some nurse sharks.
The trainer will give you guys a chance to pet the shark just like this. Look.
Yeah.
It feels like a real shark. The trainer will then roll the shark over and give you guys a chance to pet the tummy of the shark.
Oh, wow.
Just like this.
No way.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's
It feels like, wow. You will also get a chance to feed the shark a piece of finger army fish.
Yeah.
And just like that. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a promotion deal going on. This is where you pay for one, come on down and have some fun.
Yeah.
The trainer will then place the shark in your lap so you can take some lovely photos.
Yeah.
This, my friend, could be you. Hey, look to the camera. Let's go. One more
Hey.
time. One more time.
Hey.
One more time.
Hey.
The trainer will then feed the shark in your lap so you can feel the amazing power.
We're going for the stingray interaction now and going into the water.
Responsible to each other. You're in the wild.
I mean, partially.
Nearly there.
You're stronger in numbers.
Oh, wow. Look at it.
Wow.
You're scared, buddy. See that? I'm not gonna frighten you because I don't want those to stick you.
Yeah.
2.5 feet wide. I need 2 volunteers to get the finger up on 10 years up to now.
Do you want to go? Oh, I don't know. Whoever wants to go.
It's her honeymoon, so she's
Yeah, she's on honeymoon.
Right.
newly married.
Yeah.
You're done.
She needs it.
All right.
All right.
come on down. Alright, so guess what? You're gonna face the ocean.
Okay.
Alright? They will tell you if you should kiss, okay? Alright, so you guys just take a look. Take a look.
That was awesome.
Jeez, those are big teeth.
Those teeth are
Fine,
huge.
you're fine, baby.
Hey! What up? Wait. You guys think she should kiss?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh my god.
Alright.
I know.
It's not your first kiss, okay? And in Jamaica, when we're kissing, we don't close our eyes. Never close your eyes when kissing in
Oh,
Jamaica.
this is fantastic.
Okay? And we have kids in the water, so keep it clean. No Frenchie, okay?
Close your eyes.
Where's your camera? Right here? Turn around. Turn around.
You're fine, baby.
Just around behind you. You're gonna get low and fuck her up. That's the lucky spot right there. Right there.
Get ready.
Remember, don't close your eyes. Get low and fuck her up. Go, go, go. Kiss her and jump.
Here we go.
Awesome. Come on, give it up for her.
That was awesome, baby. Nice. Second day so far, having a blast.
So day 2 is a wrap.
Just found out that we could go to this little bar grill spot where they usually do pizza at night around like 12, and we can get midnight snacks.
Yeah, so we did the sharks, and we got to hold a nurse shark, and it felt like sandpaper, like really coarse sandpaper. It was super heavy. They laid it in our lap. We gave it a shark 5, and we got to pet it, and they fed it on my lap, and it like snapped and started freaking out on me. I was like, let me go.
We did that right after the dolphin excursion, which was amazing.
Yeah, they let us do it for free, and then they also did the stingray, and I got picked to do the kisses, so you guys should see that on video.
That was hilarious.
Not what I expected.